We are offering 10 cars from the Adderley collection in Monterey, California. I am very proud that RM Sotheby's can represent this collection and that I get to work so closely with the cars and the collection as a whole. My star pick of the collection is the 1935 Duesenberg Disappearing Top Convertible Coupe by Rollston. So this particular car has been in the Adderley collection since 1967. In 2022, it's seldom to see a Duesenberg emerging out of 50+ year ownership history. I've been fortunate enough to go through these cars and have some time behind the wheel. Any buyers of a car from this collection, they should be confident that Mr. Adderley bought cars based on their provenance and their significance. A car from this collection, it's an important thing.